What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the background here, it's a little glitchy. Don't have the green screen up, but today we're going to talk a little bit about thanks.io and how you can leverage a really cool script that you can embed onto your website that allows you to track website visitors and automate postcards. So stay tuned. So welcome back to the channel. If you don't have a thanks.io account, go ahead and click the link in the description down below and sign up. Get 10 free postcard sends when you sign up using the link below. So inside of thanks.io, this is a really cool postcard mailer tool that you can use in order to maybe nurture your current database, maybe track website visitors, maybe print out offerings, really cool things. Of course, I use mine more real estate centric, meaning that I leverage it for a lot of those actions of which realtors would perform. So like things like follow up, happy birthdays, home anniversary cards, and so forth, as well as gift card sends now, because thanks.io has a plethora of gift cards. What did he say? Choose and have automated. Now what we're going to be showing you today is how to install thanks.io's Google script that enables you to track website addresses, right? Or website traffic IP addresses. So how you're going to do this is you're going to go into your mailing list, and inside your mailing list you're going to go ahead and click on add list. Now we're going to go ahead and create a retargeting list, and we're going to go ahead and label this API Explorer test and click save. Now what you're going to do is you're done. You can give this list a tracking URL if you want. You could also give this a landing page if you want to collect names, addresses, birthdays, and such. But down at the very, very bottom, it's kind of hidden. You can go ahead and get a retargeting code. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and generate this code, and you could have a maximum or number of addresses per month, right? So you could select all the way up to unlimited or 50,000. Totally up to you and how many you want. And then you could also blacklist and whitelist this for your website. Now once you do this, you'll be able to then go ahead and take that code and add it to the website header of your or to the header section of your website. So if you go into things like KV Core, you'll head over into your web and IDX setting, go to website manager, and then you'll go ahead and click on edit settings, and then you'll embed that or add that to the header section of your website. So here's my head. There we go. We can go ahead and find that script in here, right? So now that I've shown you that, what happens? What does this do and how does it work? So if somebody goes to your website, you're going to notice that on visiting my website, there should be a location pop down up here at the top that will prompt, and then it will go ahead and allow me to go ahead and click allow or block. Now when you do this, it's obtaining the location of their IP address. So it's a really cool way to grab that IP address. And let me show you something that's already semi-developed from the last couple days. 938 website visitors, but you could see that we have all of these addresses. So I have all the locations of which website visitors are visiting my website in the last couple days or months, right? So it's really cool and how you can do this. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and go into Thanks dashboard, and then you can set up a campaign, right? So down here at the bottom, there's this campaigns. You can go ahead and create a postcard and add a postcard into here. You could also go ahead and use the yearly sending style and so forth, right? So you'll be able to determine those time values. But what I'm showing you here is you could actually select it from this mailer drop down, and you can go ahead and use that so that as new addresses get added to that mailing list, that campaign then gets assigned to that new addressee. Hopefully you found this video very, very useful. Like always, if you like the content, like what you're seeing, click the like and subscribe button, and be sure to turn on bell notifications to be notified anytime I drop cool content like the one that you're watching right now. Other than that, guys and gals, API Explorer out.